Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make squishy, but like in packaging. So these are the two things you'll be needing: tape and a little piece of memory foam. And as you know, I drew a little heart face on them with heart eyes. And I got this from a mattress, so an old mattress. So what you want to do is easy things. All you want to do is like you want to put it all around it, so like don't leave a single piece of it open. So you just want to keep wrapping it till it shines like that. So this is what it's gonna look like, and then and I'm gonna be teaching you how to make slow rising squishies. So if you guys have like a foam, like a memory foam, you get it from like a pillow that has like foam in it. I just cut a piece of it. So we're gonna keep doing it. Okay, wait. If you wanted to, you wanna. So yeah, this is going to be looking like that. So. Okay, so I got a very long one. That way I don't have to worry about doing it. Okay. I don't want any hair on this squishy because I've been working hard. I made this squishy up, but you know. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's very shiny. So you want to take another piece but you can draw a design on your little squishy as how you want, like a little cute design. I just did a little piece. Now this is what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoy this squishy because, you know. So that's it for all of the squishies. So this is how mine turned out. I want to see it. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. So bye guys.